Next, we have discussion and possible action of approval of bills and payroll. Let's go ahead and start with our treasurer, please, with Mayor Nonestas. There you are. Good morning, sir.
I'm right here. Good morning, Judge. Good morning, Honorable Judge and Commissioners. Raul Reyes, County Treasurer, for the record. This morning, Your Honor, I have two items: the presentation of bills and disbursements and my monthly report for July 2020. For the period of August 7th through August 20th, we received and reviewed 1,993 invoices, for which 349 checks were processed, totaling $1,367,402 with 0 cents. We also received and reviewed 276 invoices and processed 79 electronic fund transfers, totaling $2,901,673 with 79 cents. During this same period, we had 52 invoices that were paid with 40 checks processed, totaling $89,110 with 19 cents, for which formal approval and ratification are needed. The large sum of this was a request for $73,347.76, and that's for the delinquent tax attorney fees. Also, in terms of payroll disbursements, we had a special payroll processed for the pay period of July 17th, 2020 through July 30th, 2020. And that special payroll totaled $1,844 with 46 cents. For the period of July 31st, 2020 through August 13th, 2020, the total gross wage and liability disbursements for the county's payroll totaled $4,011,108 with 98 cents. And then for this part, finally, in regards to the BLANCA golf course, the previous estimation from the Commissioner's Court for the pay date of August 14th, 2020 was $25,000, and the actual disbursement amount was $24,610 with 98 cents. For the upcoming pay date of August 28th, the estimated funds required are once again $25,000 with an estimate approximation of $23,953 with 47 cents.
Move to approve the report and the estimated Casablanca payroll.
Second. Motion and second. Any opposed? Motion carries. Thank you.
Thank you. For the monthly report for July 2020, Section 1 highlights the county's portfolio and bank reconciliations for the month of July 2020. The total cash at the end of July was $112,555,355 with 50 cents. Total investments were $18,401,466 with 34 cents. The total portfolio of the county in July 2020 was $130,956,821 with 84 cents. And then the interest earned on all of our bank accounts from Falcon International Bank was $176,316 with 0 cents. In terms of the rate of return interest rate for our tax pool accounts, that decreased once again this month to 0.2082%. For Falcon Bank, we have 1.500%. And then the weighted average for our investments with multi-bank securities was 1.5100%. Section 2 highlights the detail of the county's investments. The total interest earned for July 2020 was $11,174.82. Section 3 highlights the total checks issued from the general operating account. The total disbursements from the general fund were $15,280,221 with 97 cents. Section 4 includes activity pertaining to the sales tax, bingo, and mixed beverage collections. In July, Your Honor, our total sales income was $1,454,279 with 0 cents. The sales tax income failed to meet this fiscal year's projection income by $20,721. And as did in the month of June, represents another decrease of $110,417 with 0 cents, and that decrease in terms of percentages equals a decrease of 7.0568%. With regards to the bingo and mixed beverage tax, we had no revenues during the month of July. However, as you can see in the report, the cumulative totals for each are represented accordingly. Section 5 highlights the rents received and paid. All rental income was received and our rental liabilities were paid as indicated in the spreadsheet in your report. In July, our rental income was $7,530 with 24 cents. And our rental liabilities in the next slide, you'll see that those totaled $25,066.10. Section 6 represents our current debt service payments with their respective due dates. In the next slide, you'll see for the month of July, we had no principal payments. However, we did have an an interest payment totaling $82,994 with 75 cents. As of July 31st, our COB's balance was $96,216,032.84. In terms of the total amount of lease payments in July 2020 on the next slide, that amount was $311,214.25. And you'll see there that for the public property finance, we had a yearly payment of $304,454 as indicated in our spreadsheet. And then finally, Judge and Commissioners, Section 7 includes our permanent school fund report. $67,379 with 11 cents was received in royalties during the month of July. And then, of course, the available ending balance of $1,163,551 with 41 cents is also indicated in the formal report. And that concludes my report, Judge and Commissioners, for this morning.
Judge, I have a question. Raul, can we go back to that last screen?
Yes.
And are the leases broken up by the two separate properties, or you have all the all together?
You mean for the revenues?
For the school end, you have the ones on 40 off of by 44, and then you have the other ones on Highway 59.
Yeah, those on some of them, some of the contracts have been modified, and some have been consolidated. And
the revenue streams, we need to separate them by property because. Okay. There may be a possibility. We'll see how you get no revenue. I think if you get no revenue for 90 days consecutively, and you're able to terminate, some of those leases. So
absolutely. What I'll do is I'll get with Civil Legal Commissioner to go over the details with respects to the thing, and then I'll find a way to separate them by properties.
Yeah, so it's everything was on Highway 44 together, and then everything on Highway 59 together, because that should be one lease.
If I'm not mistaken,
My next report.
gentlemen, if I'm not mistaken, I think, yeah, just make sure on that, Raul, because I believe the one on 59 is a 2-year difference in the one on 44 when the lease comes up. So, yeah, if you could just check up on that.
Absolutely. And in the next report, I'll go ahead and separate it as indicated.
But I'm talking about the oil and gas, not the hunting.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Very good. Did I get a motion? Motion in a second?
Motion to approve the school land report.
Second.
Motion in a second. Any opposed? Motion carries. Thank you.